Fringe is such a fun and simple way to give your handmade projects a stylish, finished look. And the best part is that it is super easy to do.
Hi there, I am Lindsay with Off the Beaten Hook.
And in today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to add fringe to your scarves or blankets, whether they're knit or crochet.
And while you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. Thank you.
So whether you're new to Fringe or looking for a refresher, I have got step-by-step instructions to make it super easy for you. Let's get started and transform your project into something extra special. So I am using a piece of cardboard that I got from my recycle bin. Now this little piece of cardboard needs to be cut to the length of the size of fringe you want. Remember that you will lose a little bit of length due to the knotting of the fringe when you're adding it to your project. So if you want your fit to be exact, be sure to cut your cardboard a little longer than the length you want your actual fringe to be. And then take it and wrap it around 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, snip that at the bottom. And now all you need to do here is slide this off the top. So slide it off of the cardboard and keep hold of, it's kind of just like a big circle, a big loop, and keep hold of this top loop like this. Okay, so you're gonna place your hook from back to front through where your tassel is gonna go in. Okay, you're gonna snatch that loop. So I'm holding my tassels, I've taken it off of the cardboard. I'm gonna put my yarn through and I'm gonna snatch that and pull it through that area of my blanket, okay? And then I am simply going to, it's almost like yarning over, but I'm gonna yarn over with that whole big chunk and I'm gonna pull it through that loop. And then just hold onto your blanket there at the top and just tighten it down, okay? And there you have it. You've just attached your tassel. And then I just take my scissors, because you've got all these other loops over here that aren't cut, just to cut a nice straight edge. I just pull it down and I just cut like a tiny bit off of the bottom, just straight across. Okay, save that for some stuffing, for something else. And there you have your okay, so you're gonna do that all the way along the edge. Okay, a little bit of a pro tip if you wanna be super efficient. I make a bunch of my tassels first. I make, several, like maybe 8 or 10, lay them out, and then I go through once they're all made and I attach them all, blam, 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 and then I go back and I snip, 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 snip. So that's just one idea to kind of create a little tassel assembly line and make it go a little bit faster. However, to make it fastest is what I'm trying to accomplish. All right, so there are your blanket tassels.